Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 9 playing with numbers in that exercise 9C. So let's discuss homework answers first. Third question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 8. In that third one, 92,760. So 760, this is divisible by 8. So 92,760 is also divisible by 8. Okay. Next fourth one, 4,44,320. Here 320 is divisible by 8. So 4,44,380 is also divisible by 8. Next fourth one, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 3. In that third question, 28,492. So on adding the digits, you will get 25. 25 is not divisible by 3. So 28,492 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next fourth one, 92,349. On taking the sum of digits, you will get 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. So 92,349 is also divisible by 3. Next rule 5, test of divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. As 6 equal to 2 into 3. So a number, it is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, divisibility test of 2 you have to check and divisibility test of 3 you have to check. Okay, if it is both divisible by 2 and 3, then only a number is divisible by 6. Okay. Next sixth question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. First one, 324. So 324, this is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Now checking whether this number is divisible by 3. You can take the sum of the digits. 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9 you got. Okay, 9 is divisible by 3. So 324 is also divisible by 3. Okay, so this number 324 is both divisible by 2 and 3. So we can say that this is divisible by 6 also. Okay, second one, 2010. So this is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now checking whether this is divisible by 3. You can take the sum of the digits. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. So 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 3 you got. Now 3 is divisible by 3. So what you can say, 2010 is also divisible by 3. Okay. So this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. Okay. Next third one, 33,278. So this is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, now checking whether this number is divisible by 3. You can take the sum of the digits. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 8 you will get 23. Now 23 is not divisible by 3. So 33,278 is not divisible by 3. So what we can say about divisible by 6, 33,278 is not divisible by 6 because it should, a number is divisible by 6 if and only if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay. So this number is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3. So we can say that it is not divisible by 6 also. Okay. Next rule 6, divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So this is similar to the divisibility test of 3. That is, we are taking the sum of the digits of a number. Then if that number is divisible by 9, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 9. Okay. So let us take example 7236. On taking the sum of the digits, you will get 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. You will get 18, and this 18 is divisible by 9. So what we can say, 7236 is also divisible by 9. Okay. Fifth question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 9. First one, 1332. So divisibility by 9. We need to take the sum of the digits of the number. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So 1332 is also divisible by 9. Okay. Second one, 53,247. So taking the sum of the digit, 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 7 21. So 21 is not divisible by 9. So 53,247 is also not divisible by 9. Okay. Third one, 4,968. So taking the sum of the digit, 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8. What you will get? 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 8 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. So 4968 is also divisible by 9. Next, rule 7, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its units digit is either 0 or 5. So if a number ends with 0 or 5, then we can say that that number is divisible by 5. Okay. Seventh question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 5. First one, 5080. So 5080 ends with 0. So we can say that it is divisible by 5. If a number ends with 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Okay. Second one, 66,666. So this number ends with 6. So it is not divisible by 5. Okay. Now 755. It ends with 5. So we can say that this number is divisible by 5. Okay. Eighth question. Find which of the following numbers are divisible by 10. So a number is divisible by 10 if its units digit is 0. That is, if a number ends with 0, then we can say that that number is divisible by 10. Okay, that is the divisibility by 10. So first question, 9,990. It ends with 0, so it is divisible by 10. Okay. Second question, 0. 0, it ends with 0. It is also divisible by 10. 0, 10 into 0, we will get 0. Okay, so 0 is divisible by 10, we can say. Now 847, it ends with 7, so it is not divisible by 10. Rule 8, divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of the digits in odd places from the right side and the sum of the digits in even places from the right side is divisible by 11. So let us study this through example 90,816. Let us take this number 90,816. So start writing numbers from 1 from right side. Okay, from right side you can write numbers starting from 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we know that 1, 3 and 5. Here 1, 3 and 5 are odd numbers. So the digits in odd places we can take 6, 8 and 9. Okay, here first we write numbers from 1. Starting from 1, you can write from right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you wrote like this. Then 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. So digits at odd places are 6, 8 and 9. Okay, 6, 8, 9. We need to find the sum of the digits in odd places. Sum of the digits in odd places, it is 6 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9, you will get a 23. Okay, now next step is sum of the digits in even places. Okay, so here 2 and 4 are even numbers. So digits in even places are 1 and 0. Okay, we need to find its sum. 1 plus 0, you will get 1. Okay, now find the difference of that two sum. That is difference of 23 and 1. 23 minus 1, you will get 22. Okay, if this difference is divisible by 11, we can say that 0 or divisible by any number which is divisible by 11, we can say this number, the given number is divisible by 11. Okay, here we got 22 which is divisible by 11. So we can say that 90,816 is divisible by 11. Okay, first write numbers like this, starting from 1 from right side. Then 1, 3, 5. Here which all are odd numbers and which all are even numbers you can find. So 1, 3 and 5 are odd numbers. So 6. The numbers that are coming under 1, 3 and 5. That is 6, 8, 9 are digits in odd places. You need to find the sum of these digits. 6 plus 8 plus 9, you got 23. Then digits at even places are 1 and 0. Finding their sum, you got 1. Now finding the difference between these two sum, we will get a number. Here it is 22 and this 22 is divisible by 11. If you got this number 0 or any number which is divisible by 11, then only we can say that the given number 90,816 is divisible by 11. Okay, so a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in odd places from the right side and the sum of the digits in even places from the right side is divisible by 11. Okay. Ninth question. Find which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. First one, 5,918. So 5,918. You can start writing numbers from 1 from right side. You can write numbers starting from 1 from right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here 1 and 3 are odd numbers. So digits at odd places, it is 8 and 9. Okay, 1 and 3 are odd numbers. So digit in odd places, it is 8 and 9. Now 2 and 4 are even numbers. So digits in even places, it is 1 and 5. Okay, we need to find the sum of the digits in odd places. So you find the sum of 8 and 9. So 8 plus 9, you will get 17. Okay. Now sum of the digits in even places. So here 1 and 5. So 1 plus 5, you will get 6. Now find the difference of these two numbers. So their difference equal to 17 minus 6, you will get 11. So 11 it is divisible by 11. So what we can say about 5918? It is also divisible by 11. Okay, since we got the difference 11 and 11 is divisible by 11. So 5918 is also divisible by 11. Okay. Next second one, 68,717. So we can write numbers starting from 1 from right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 1, 3 and 5 are odd numbers. So 7, 7 and 6 are digits in odd places. Okay, so write that we need to find the sum of digits in odd places. You can find by adding 7 plus 7 plus 6. Okay, 7 plus 7 plus 6. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 6, it is 20. Next it is sum of the digits in even places. So here even places, 2 and 4 are even numbers. So digits in even places are 1 and 8. So finding their sum, you will get 1 plus 8, it is 9. Okay, now finding their difference. What we will get? 20 minus 9. Okay, you will get 11. 11 which is divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So we can say that 68,717 is also divisible by 11. Okay. So first we write the numbers like this. Now finding the sum of the digits in odd places, we got 20. Sum of the digits in even places, it is 9. Now finding their difference, you got 11 which is divisible by 11. So 68,717 is also divisible by 11. 10th question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 15. So divisibility by 15, here in the box it is given. A number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by 3 and 5 both. So in order to check whether one number is divisible by 15, you need to check whether that number is divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, if it is divisible by both 3 and 5, then only that number is divisible by 15. Okay, so first question, 960. So 960, this is divisible by 5. You know the divisibility by 5. That is, if a number ends with 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So 960, it ends with 0, so it is divisible by 5. Okay, now you need to check whether this number is divisible by 3. So divisibility by 3, you need to take the sum of the digits. So 9 plus 6 plus 0, you will get 15. Here 15 is divisible by 3. So 960 is also divisible by 3. Okay, so you got 960 is divisible by both 5 and 3. So what we can say? 960 is divisible by 15. Okay, now second one, 8295. Since it ends with 5, it is divisible by 5. Now you check whether this number is divisible by 3. So finding the sum of the digits, 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 5. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 5, it is 24. So 24 is divisible by 3. So 8295 is also divisible by 3. Okay. So this number is divisible by both 5 and 3. So it is divisible by 15 also. Okay. Now do the 9th question. third and fourth, and 10th question third and fourth do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.